Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So we are doing a little bit of a hike today. It's early morning, around 8 o'clock. I know it's not early, but on time, 8 is early.
Well, for us.
And yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit of a hike up to the top of the mountain. Something to do here is there's a bunch of archaeological sites at the top of the mountain that's right near our beach. We're going to be hiking up there and checking those out.
It's called Ancient Thira.
And here is where we're going. So all along that ridge, there's a bunch of different archaeological sites. Ancient Thira is right up there. And you can see the switchbacks starting right over here, and that's how we're getting up there. So for anyone who wants to do this hike from Kamari Beach is just behind me here. You can just come up this road, and then you basically take this road all the way back, and there's a hotel right here. There's a set of stairs that go up. So we found the road. So this is the main road that we're going to be taking all the way up. As you can tell, cobblestones, and it basically goes all the way up. More gradual. You could do another route, which is more uphill, and there's lots of stairs. A lot more difficult, but I thought for the first time out, we'll take this route up. You can see where we've come to so far. Kamari Beach is just over here. So far, great view from here already. And if you get tired or just want to take a break, there's a nice little bench with a fantastic view. We got a message from our former host, Marian and Julia. They had their baby yesterday, so congratulations to you both. And we wish you all the best with the newborn. Take care. What's really nice is since the halfway point, there's been about 4 or 5 other benches, so they're becoming more frequent, I guess. That's really courteous of them to have these benches every once in a while. It's a nice little site map of Ancient Thira. So we're now inside. It is €6 per person to get in. If you're under 25 or over 65, it is actually €3 for entry fee. So not bad. I mean, pretty reasonable for an ancient site like this.
They open at 8:30 and they close at 3:30.
This is the Church of Agios Stefanos, an early ancient basilica. And that's the back of the church. This is the central section of the city and the Agora. What I keep having to remind myself is that we are in thousands of years old archaeology. Thousands. And this is the theater. This is Apollo Pythios Sanctuary. Perissa Beach in the town of Perissa. So this is the sanctuary of the Egyptian gods. All right, well, a little bit of a change in plans. Sue says, hey, climb up here wasn't that bad. And Perissa's just down there. Why don't we go down there and have lunch, then come back up and walk down to Kamari? So that's the plan. Start of Sue's grand plan. we got them. Unlike the walk up from Kamari, this is what the trail is going to be like all the way down to Perissa. So, it's not stairs, so it is pretty gradual, and it is nice switchback, so shouldn't be that bad, and it's only 1.5 kilometers-ish.
We got this.
That's right. On the walk down to Perissa, we just came across this little marker. It's a cemetery of the Ancient Thira. So this is in the south slope. So we met a nice couple, and they told us that if you take the split here and go left, there's a nice church. Continue along past this, continue along this path, and it goes up there. Well, they did say it's a bit of a up and down climb, and check out these steps we're on. Bit of a adventurous climb. Apparently there's a rock climbing area as well. So there's some ancient quarry. Now this is a black sand beach. So we made it to the Perissa Beach town. We're actually having lunch back here behind me. It's a very traditional Greek. We're going to get the Greek plate. So Sue, what do we have on that plate?
It's a Greek platter with stuffed peppers. I think these are grape leaves that are also stuffed. This is moussaka, which is a potato based, I believe, and feta cheese with some tomatoes.
Looks good. And it was 22 euros, which is great for a sampler platter. Just in case anyone questions whether we actually walked back or cheated and took the ferry back. This is 3/4 of the way up from the town of Perissa over there. Well, it's been an absolutely epic day so far. We did a bit of a challenge and we brought you along. So what did you think overall, babe?
It was a good adventure. We did a lot of exercise.
Yes.
Anyways, lunch was good. We saw the boats to bring us back to Kamari, but they let you off in the water. And yes. I think so we're not too sure on that. And we had the camera and we ended up just walking.
Climb up was challenging because once you've climbed up and then gone down, sat down, relaxed, your legs are a little wobbly on that climb up, but it was doable. We took our time.
I think the Kamari side was easier because you can take the road.
Yes.
Well, going down on the Perissa side, it is all trails.
Yes.
And narrow.
Stone, narrow.
Yeah. So, and then town-wise, Perissa was actually smaller than I anticipated. Kamari is definitely bigger. For restaurants, we had a choice of maybe 10 to 15, it seemed, along the beach.
Right.
Well, Kamari has 50. We have a lot of restaurants in Kamari. So yes, so definitely if you're deciding between Perissa or Kamari and you're looking for a bigger town, Kamari would be the way.
For walking over and having a quick lunch and then coming back to Kamari, Perissa was just fine.
Yeah.
So we really enjoyed our day. Looking forward to the next adventure.
Right.
Take care now.
Bye.
Bye-bye. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.